change the front brake pads. To change the front brake pads, what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the 14 millimeter right there. So you take your ratchet, you remove the 14. Take out this 14 millimeter bolt. You're gonna, this caliper is gonna lift up. And once the caliper is up, we're gonna remove these two little pins here. After that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna compress that piston here. This is the brake pad is finished, so that's why the customer bought his own brake pads. Alright, so once we have that out, once we have the brake pads out, we're gonna take this compress tool. We're gonna use the old brake pad. We're gonna push the pistons back in there. This is dual piston. What you can do is use two tools. I'm gonna go get another tool. Yeah, hold on to it. Give me a second. So what you do is you put two different tools in there to push the pistons in. Just like that. You're gonna work with both hands. Twist. Since one of my tools is to twist on. You push and twist. And both pistons should go back in its place. You could let go that side. Alright, once you have that out, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the new brake pads. If it comes with little metal pieces like that, they go on the top, meaning on the upper side. So you take one and one, put the brake pads in, and you put the brake pad on the inner side. Yeah. No.
No?
No. Alright, so the customer brought his own stuff. He doesn't have a grease, so we usually put grease on it, and he doesn't want it. We're gonna leave it like that. And the clips from here, they're broken, so we can't even put those on. And told him about it, but we're gonna put this caliper back in. Alright, this pin is a little jammed up. Not jammed up, but it's a little rough. And once you have that in, you take your 14 millimeter bolt and you tighten it. And that's it. That's how you do brake pads on a 2012 Toyota Sienna in the front.